We're going to be changing the filter today in the hydrogen home unit. So I want to give you step-by-step instructions. Step number 1, go over to the website, Healthy Hydration, and order yourself one of the filters here for the unit. So once you get this, the first step you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and turn off the machine. Go ahead and unplug it. Be the best option available. Then you're going to take off the back cover here. So it slips up. You're going to slip it up. And then the filter here, you want to make sure you're on top of it. And it is a little bit challenging if you're not strong fingers, so you might want to get some help if you need it. But you're going to go ahead and twist it off. It's going to come up and out. So the next step is you're just going to replace here the filter. And it's going to just screw in. You can see pushing down here. You're going to push down, and then you're going to push in. And you got to line it up there. And it does have a little pressure pump there. So, and there you go. Okay, so there you are. Just push down hard and then turn is going to be giving it for you the best. And then you are just going to put the cover back on like so. Next step here is on the front. You're going to go ahead and turn it back on. Now you want to reset the filter. So to do that, to let the unit know that you have a new filter in place, the next step we're going to do is go ahead and changing out our liters, how many liters that filter is good for. So even if it didn't go, down to 0 in your filter, we still need to reset it to 6,000 liters. So here we go. So we're going to go and push this purify button. You're going to hold it down. Okay, and then you're going to go changing it here with this button, and it'll circle back around. We're going to put it. Okay, and then when you're done, you can tap this button and it will come out of it. And now you are set. So you can go ahead and start running your water.